Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to download this free adult application to your Firestick. There you'll find hundreds of categories, millions of movies, there is no need for a registration, and you can use it pretty good without a mouse toggle. And yeah, I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube doesn't like it, and of course, the logo will be visible when you download the application. Now, without any further ado, let's see how you can get the app. And now, first of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. There's a really high chance you already have it on your device. In that case, just skip to the next part of the video. But if you don't have Downloader yet, let's go to the search bar and just start typing Downloader on your device. Here it is, already popped out for us at the bottom, so no need to type the whole name of the application. Click on it, and there's the app which we need to download. However, after you get the downloader, it's not over yet, you still have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings, scroll down until you see My Fire TV, open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, no worries, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times or more, and do it fast. As you can see now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So just go back a bit and you'll finally see developer options. After you open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging. Then you go to Install Unknown Apps and turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're planning to do right now. Now when you go to the list of apps on your device, you'll see the downloader, which is going to appear right here. However, before proceeding further, there's one more thing which I really recommend. It's of course connecting to a VPN. And in my opinion, the best option for that is NordVPN. They have a great app for Fire Sticks or any other device you may use, be it a laptop, mobile phone, your PC or anything else. They have an app for that. They have thousands of different servers and they're not expensive. And most importantly, if you use my link in the description below this video or in a pinned comment, you get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. I believe you always should use a VPN, especially if you're downloading something from the internet, especially via adult applications or any live TV players, because you never really know who the real developers of those apps are, what they're doing with your data, and of course you even shouldn't trust your ISP provider, because they might be tracking you as well and spying on you. So get NordVPN, use my link in the description of this video, get 4 months totally for free, and let's proceed with the video. And after you got the VPN connected and fully set up, let's open the Downloader. On the left side menu, you have to click on Home, and then you'll see a search bar in which you have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you press on Go. Then a website is going to open, and you have to scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories. And here's the one which we need to click on with the heart icon. Click on it, and then a list of applications is going to open. I will not pronounce the name of the app because YouTube may not like it, but you can see it on the screen. So just click on that app name which you can see. Then if any ad opens up for you, make sure to click on Close, because if you click on Open, it's going to mess everything up for you. Then a new web page is going to open, which you also have to scroll down until you see the little download button. Here it is. Click on it. Now the download has started. Then click on Install in the right bottom corner, and after that click on Done, so you'll be able to delete the installation file, because you don't need it anymore. Click on Delete, and now when you go to the list of apps on your device, you'll see this new adult application appear here. Of course, make sure to connect to a VPN before using the application to stay private and secure. And one more thing, the interface of the app might seem stretched a bit, because it's more optimized for mobile devices. However, as soon as you open any video or video file, it's going to look great on your TV. So the only problem is the interface, but not the media files themselves. And that's it. Enjoy!